In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can send messages here on chess.com using both mobile and PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is actually super easy to do, but begin by either opening up the chess.com homepage or the chess.com app. And you're going to see either a little like profile icon all the way down here that you can go ahead and select on, or you can hit more. And then in this more section, if you go to this community tab, you can go ahead and head over to the friends tab and open that up. Now, if the person is already your friend, click on their name and then click the envelope icon to send the message. If not, use the search bar to search by their name. And once their profile does appear, hit send message. So for example, I'll go ahead and just type in chess, right? Because there's like a million people named this. You just hit this little send message icon next to their name and type in your message. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.